quick tutorial about how to create your cartoon avatar using AI Art Expert and Midjourney. Start our app, click on Begin, then click on Create Your Cartoon, then choose Midjourney from there. If you don't have a Discord account already, then click the last two options. If you have a Discord account, then click on the button that says, "Click here to make your cartoon." This will take you to our website where refresh the web link every day. Click on the button and it would ask you to join our server. If you are here at Midjourney for the first time, then you need to accept terms and conditions. To do that, start typing anything like /imagine prompt. And add any random words afterwards. After submitting this thing, the accept terms and conditions option would come. Click on accept and now you can create your Midjourney arts. So first thing you need to do is upload your photograph. To upload your photograph, click on the plus button, find your photo and upload it. Then copy the link of the photograph. Now come to the chat box and again type /imagine prompt, and paste the link you copied and then write cartoon 2D. Then add version by typing V4 and aspect ratio by typing AR 2:3. Submit the prompt for results. You may also type anime after your link to make your anime avatar. You may type cartoon 3D for your 3D avatar. And Disney Pixar style for cute 3D avatar. Now let's see the results. Here's the result for cartoon 2D. Here's the result for anime. And here's the result for Pixar style cartoon. While the 3D cartoon is rendering, let's learn how to convert yourself into a superhero. First we would make you a cartoon superhero by typing cartoon superhero and then adding some adjective prompts like VFX, ray tracing, etc. Or you may just add the word superhero after your link to convert yourself into a more realistic looking superhero. Well, here's the result of how I would look as a cartoon superhero. Man, these face matches are super amusing. If that felt amusing, then check out these results for more realistic looking superhero avatar of me. I hope you have learnt everything. Feel free to contact me if something is still bothering you.
This video was made for AI Art Expert version 2.0. Future updates might change the interface of the application. If you don't have our app yet, then check description. Our app not only tells you about the AI art generators, but also teaches you every single thing about them. So go and download AI Art Expert.